Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making this simple but healthy delicious stew. Let's get right into the video. Into my saucepan, I'll pour in some oil enough to prepare my stew. I'm using groundnut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. After the oil heated up, I went in with some chopped onions. I'll let this fry for about 2 minutes. Then I'll go in with some fresh garlic and ginger. I'll also let this fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. The next thing I'll be adding is some fresh chopped tomatoes. So I'll add this and mix everything together and allow it to continue frying. And after about 10 to 15 minutes of frying the tomatoes, this is how it looks like. So it's now time for us to add some fresh pepper. I have some blended pepper here, so I'll transfer some into the stew. You may also add your seasoning cube at this point, that is if you decide to use some, but I will not be using any seasoning cube. So the next thing I'll be adding is some salt to taste. Kindly do me a favor by clicking the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Thank you. And here I have some fish which I steamed earlier, so I'll go ahead and add it to the stew. Mix everything together. I'll top this up with some rosemary. If you have other spices like curry powder, anise seed and others, you can go ahead and add, but I'll only be making use of rosemary. And then allow the stew to continue frying. So at this point our stew is almost ready, but I'll be adding one last thing, which is green pepper and some onions. You can add any vegetables of your choice, but I'm making use of green pepper and some onions. Then I'll mix everything together. I'll let this simmer for about 2 minutes, then I'll take it off the fire and our stew is ready. It is very simple with simple ingredients, but the result is amazing. It tasted so delicious. So if you have the ingredients, you can go ahead and give this recipe a try. This stew can be enjoyed with yam, rice, or any meal of your choice. We enjoyed ours with some rice and it tasted so delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.